Alright, here we go, time to broach this keyway. Just gonna oil everything up. Alright, so this is the last thing we got to do. Keyway's broached, keyway's cut on the armature. Just gonna drill this and tap it, put set screw in there, and it should be done. First, I'm gonna use this end mill. I'm gonna give it a little flat spot so the drill has somewhere to start, and then we'll drill and tap probably 1232. So yeah, here it goes. Alright, so pulley is finally done. Turned out pretty good, I think. I lost the video when I was drilling and tapping the set screw. Camera's having issues with me. But should be ready to put this motor back together. Get the pulley on there and then finish building the mounts. So we can get this lathe gun done. So I'm just gonna slap this back together real quick. Alright, here it is with the motor all put back together. Everything fits like it should. Now it's just time to get this thing mounted up and see what we can do. Thanks for watching. See you next time.